So guys, when you're going on the road, one of the most important things you should do is make sure that you're underweight. The best way to do that is to check your car and your trailer with an authorised checker. We've got Dave here from Mobile Weight Checks. He's just checked our vehicle.
Mate, we're looking good. You've done well. I gave you all the ticks you need to. Mate, as long as we've got it set up pretty well, it works. And like you said when I got here, it did travel well. So the main thing is that all those weights are well within their limits. Stay safe on the road.
Thanks very much, Dave.
Okay.
Okay, so here we are at our first stop with our Big Wei battery, the lithium battery that we're doing the test trial on, which is the 12 volt 200 amp hour. I've got it sitting on the tailgate at the moment. We're running the car fridge from the battery, charging a mobile phone, got the sound system plugged in, we're charging the small lights for the night, and if you look at the reader, it's still only reading 13.1, so we're drawing very little power from the battery and it's doing all that work. So on the first night we're doing okay. Later on I'll plug the big light in to illuminate the whole area and we'll see what effect that has on the battery.
Several days later.
So here we are at Airlie Beach on day 10 of our travels. Now I haven't charged this battery since I left home 10 days ago, and it's still got 12.7 volts in it, still reading quite well. I'm quite impressed with the battery so far.
2,000 years later.
And I must say, after 20 odd days of using this battery, I'm really impressed with how it's performed. Just to reiterate some of the things we've mentioned already on it, it's got access ports here for your Anderson plugs in and out, so you can charge it on the same one. It's got the plugs for cigarette lighters. It's got the USB ports in the top of it. You can still plug it in with the Anderson through the cable. So there's lots of different ways you can actually utilise this particular battery. It weighs about 20 kilos, so it hasn't been too heavy. We've been able to transport it around quite easily. It runs the fridge, lights, it's charging equipment all the time. We've charged it twice. If you have a look, end of the day, I'm really impressed with this particular battery. Who would it be best used for? Well, this particular van that we've got, the Austrac off-road hybrid caravan, it's built to go off-road, so it's not really the case that we need this particular battery for this particular van. But where I think it would be useful is for people who go out camping, anyone with a van that wants to spend some time in the field and not have to worry about power. The other one is campers, believe it or not. So you can go camping in a tent, take this battery with you so long as you can transport it securely in the car. And I do believe now that you've got sleep apnea adapters so that you can put them onto the USB port and plug them in. So this opens up an opportunity for a lot of people who are too scared to go camping because they need something to run their sleep apnea machines all night and they haven't got anything to do it with. So overall, big tick from me from this battery, the 200 amp hour lithium battery from Big Wei batteries. So if you want to have a look at it, have a look at their website, and certainly worthwhile checking them out.